Good morning, friends. I am Pawan. If you are studying for any networking exam like CCI, GNC, all those stuffs, or if you are studying for anything related to networking, so definitely EVNG can help you here. And just type there EVNG. You will get one link, and just you need to go to download. And from download, you need to download that community version, which is free of cost. So here three steps you have. First you need to download the VMware, and then second you need to download the OVF image, and if you need any Wireshark or any other related like PuTTY and all those stuff, then you need to install this integration pack. So this is the last step. So we can go to the VMware workstation here and click on that one, and VMware workstation you need to download from here. This is VMware workstation player. So I have already downloaded it, and we can see how to start with installation. So this is pretty basic, simple installation. You just need to click next, and then you are done. And we just need to we need to accept this license and agreement. Click on the next. No need to click on this enhanced keyboard driver. Just add VMware workstation console tools into system path. No need to join the VMware customer experience program. You can click on the product update, then just click on next. And there if we see it's already installed, and if you click on that one, it will open the workstation. So sometime it will ask, or window will pop up that whether it is license version or free version. So you need to click on the free versions. Once this is installed, then you need to import that OVF image for the virtual machine virtualization. So if we go to File, Open, and just you need to import this OVF file. You can give that EVENG any name, then import. It is importing that OVF file. So we have installed the EVENG here, and we need to check the few parameters here. So if we go to edit virtual machine setting, so some parameters we need to here modify here. So memory of this virtual machine, so based on your laptop memory you need to allow the memory size here, and then you need to install as many as processor here based on your laptop performance. So hard disk is 60 GB allotted by default here. Sometimes issue happen that virtual machine started, but you are not able to open the web page like 192.168.5.128. Then in that case you need to add the extra hard disk here. So if you click on the hard disk, and if you go to add, then you need to click on hard disk, add SCSI, then create a new virtual disk, and then whatever size you want you can mention that one, and store virtual disk as a single file, and that is done. So it will one more hard disk will add here. Network adapter, so generally I will prefer to use net if you are using this laptop in your home as well as in office. But if you are using only at home, then bridge is recommended. So only this setting is required for the EVENG and you are done. So once we can start it, so initially we need to do some settings. That IP address we got a lot is 192.168.1.105. To log in here, default user ID is root and password is there. So let's use the putty or secure CRT to log in there. So if you see, I have already created session for that one. So let's try to log in. So initially it will ask us to modify some parameters, but I'll always recommend it to keep the default one, because otherwise down the line when you install the Wireshark and other software which is compatible with EVENG, you will create unnecessary issue with you. So default password I'll keep as a EVE, that is default root password. Yes, okay. So I'll keep the EVENG name. Okay. So here you need to keep a DHCP or static. You can manually define the static if you are using the laptop in your single place, but if you are using the same laptop for office as well as in your house, then you need to keep it as a DHCP. I'll keep it everything as a default, and that's it. Once it will reboot, it will allocate the IP address, and then our EVENG will be ready. So it is rebooting now. It got rebooted and we can access the 192.168.1.106 IP address. Then it should take us to the EVENG. Here it's admin and password is again save EVE. Sign in and it's done. Now we are able to log in into the EVENG, and then you can add the new lab, whatever we can see it is test. Then you can add any node here, whatever node you have installed. So we can say we have Aruba, Cisco, then Juniper, then we have Nokia. So this is the for EVENG, and if you want to use other softwares on the top of EVENG like Wireshark, Putty, then in the website you will find the window integration pack that you need to download, and once you download, already I have downloaded here, and once you download it, you need to run as an administrator and just click on the next. So it will add the client pack. So it along with that, in that client pack, so many softwares there like Ultra VNC, Wireshark, Putty, so many softwares are there. So once you click on next, it will install all the client pack, and then you will be able to check the Wireshark packet into your EVENG. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, then share it, subscribe it, and press the icon button so that you can get the latest video. And in case if you have any query, please type in the comment box. Definitely I'll get back to you and try to resolve your issue. Thank you very much for viewing this video.